How to check which apps are draining iPhone battery. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check which apps are draining your iPhone battery. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to tap on battery. From battery section, you'll be able to find every application that are accessing or draining your battery. Simply, you'll see a graph of battery level over the last 24 hours or 10 days, a list of apps sorted by battery usage. Each app shows like percent of battery used, activity time on screen versus background. Simply from there, you'll have to just tap on that chart to switch between battery usage, percent and screen time minutes. After that, you'll be able to find out the application that are draining your iPhone battery. Simply from there, you can confirm. And that's it. This is the way you can check which apps are draining your iPhone battery. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.